2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This truck delivers style and convenience as well as performance. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, four-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel. This is a top-rated dealer. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.